tram stops. Feel free to stand up and take all the pictures you want. Down here in our back lot is where we do most of our outdoor filming. Now down there we have hundreds of facades designed to look like New York streets, a European village, Mexican town, even the Old West. On our back lot, we can recreate just about any location in the world or go back to any particular period of time. That's what we're doing right now. We're filming Back to the Future 2 and Back to the Future 3 with Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd. Later on, we'll take you through our back lot. We're going to show you our old Chicago set that was used in The Sting back in 1973 with Robert Redford and Paul Newman. We'll be on the tour today. Back to the driver's side of the tram. It seems that we're being abducted by a Cylon battleship. What's going to happen inside here is anybody's guess. You want to have your cameras out. We might need these pictures for evidence a little bit later on. Just remain seated. Now the flames are real, propelled by gas jets located behind the windows. Notice the black scorch marks in the wood, just black spray paint, and the house is made of a non-combustible material. But look behind the house as we go past it, and you'll see what we mean by facade. Facade is just a French word for false front. All the interior scenes will be shot inside one of our sound stages. You're going to be going inside one of our stages in just a few minutes. Well, down here at the bottom of the hill, just ahead of us, we have our...
As you can see, not all special effects look quite so special when you see them up close. This is an exact replica, the clay miniature used in Universal's Flash Gordon serial. And it's fueled by ordinary sparklers, which we have lots of left over from yesterday. But this effect thrilled the nation of Saturday matinee movie audiences. This is what it looked like on the screen, or I'm sorry, this is what it looked like on the stage when they were filming it. But that's what it looked like on the screen when they showed it in the movie theaters about 50 years ago. Actually, our volunteer Brent, who's playing cards, and these cards are magnetized. What I want you to do is take this card in this hand, and put your arms out sideways like this, both hands. Power down here. Now I'm going to step off the set. I don't want you to watch Brent here. Watch him on the screen, and let go of the cards. Brent, just drop them.
20 feet. Our stage can only hold 50 feet of it.
The greatest effect came when a Japanese submarine blasted the Ferris wheel.
Now go ahead and give a wave. Now with the other hand. You want to wave to your family, Emily? There you go. Now they can get a picture of you. Did you have fun? The year we made contact, both of those were MGM films. Kind of gives you a little hint about what you're... There's nowhere to fall. Nowhere to fall. Right. All right, gentlemen, we've got a problem. You better pick up some...
And on my side, as we go into this soundstage, you're going to be able to see an actual filming set. Do keep your cameras ready as we go inside this soundstage. We'll print some stuff. It anymore for filming. We just sort of keep it around as a landmark. And we have built a new road that goes behind the bridge, and we'll be taking that so that you can still get photographs of our backlot out beyond from the top of this hill. It does look very nice out there in the distance. That lake in front of the bridge, although it does appear to be very deep, is only actually several feet deep. The greenery that you do see around the lake is real, however. The few things perfectly sunny and dry, 50-50 chance of rain. Keep those cameras That's aimed at the top of the hill on the driver's side up, and we experience flash floods in this portion of the back lot. Right here it is headed straight for the third car. Watch out, third car, protect your belongings. I think you might get This is very similar to the effect used in the film The River with Mel Gibson. You will want to have your cameras, however, right now, because this is going to be a great opportunity to get a good sea level picture without even getting one toe back. And once again, I am giving Madam X with Lana Turner, and was seen as France in the very first miniseries, Rich Man, Poor Man. This is also where Universal's new movie is about to go into production in the next several weeks. They have also the dolly tracks on the driver's side, and the dolly tracks are where the camera rides to give a very smooth appearance to the film. Up ahead on the driver's side, you can see arc lights, and arc lights are used to create lighting for motion pictures. I understand that many grab a hold of those personal belongings, everybody. That feels like an earthquake starting. Driver's side, a train is trying to come into the station. Wait, what's that on my side? Oh, no. Oh no, help, help, help! I think we've captured the shark this time, everybody. I hear the reel going out. We have been trying to capture him for months now. There's a small yellow float in the center of the lake. Oh, look, everybody, he's taking the bait. Oh, here. Back in the 1960s. The Yellow House on the driver's side with the rock trim is currently home to the McCormick family for the new MCA television series Lassie. That does star Dee Wallace Stone, her real-life husband Christopher Stone, Will Nipper, and Wendy Cox, and of course Lassie is back. Rock Hudson was a contract player for Universal in the early days of the studio on the driver's side, and get a glimpse of the most recognizable set still standing here in Hollywood. It is the Psycho House, where Norman did live with his mother, but will be up in Wisconsin vacationing. The location scenes were done in Bass Lake, and above is through this ice tunnel ahead. I just ask one thing from everybody. Please be very, very quiet as we travel through the tunnel. The slightest little noise could set off something like, oh.
Those rods and holes, work fast, push those buttons. You gotta find the right hole. Those has to all the way into the red handle. Count out with me, folks. Here we go. 6, 5, 4, faster game. 3, this is room therapy here. 2, and 1. How you doing, Jeffrey? Do that again. I want to be sure I was not imagining that. Everybody up on the pedestal. Go ahead, that's fine. Hands behind your back. Chin up. Oh, very good. Don't move. Hold very still. We have some coordinates that have been punched into our computer. That's where we're going to beam them to. Roll cameras on and energize. How about that? Yes! Here, Richard is the meanest of the Klingons, the Klingon captain, right there. That's it, Richard. That means you're beaming down. This will be an in-camera special effect, meaning the beaming process actually will take place inside the equipment upstairs. You can smile, it's okay. It's painless. Not you can't smile. I mentioned a minute ago that there's no editing time after we finish. Let's try this. This is the mama creature. Let's have, before we get into the scene, Captain, you're the star, so we can't have you get hurt in this scene. So here's your snub ball, perfect match on the size. What's your...
Hi. What's your question? Do you have one? Do I like being on the show? I love it.
All right, come here, Snoopy. Get over here, hurry up. Locked it.
Thank you. Today we thought we would set up one of the basic elements of our business. That is a motion picture stunt fight. When we're called upon to do this, we go through a period of rehearsing that we call locking on a fight. This all means that we go through that fight routine many times. Robert, that's what you paid for, getting hurt. Let's get out of business. Oliver to the others throw punches.
I intend to.
Robert, you'll have to receive them.
I don't want to.
Get over there. Other punch we like to use is the one in the midsection. Punches delivered in this manner. Oliver approaches his target, he'll pull the punch or say bounce it off. Same time, Robert can tighten up the midsection perhaps.
Oh, that was fun. He said slow motion. I don't care what he said. Well, then I'm not going to do it. That, yeah.
Come on, Oliver.
It's none of your business.
Cowboy, if I come over there, you'll think it's my business.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Yeah. Come on, get up there.
You're going to do that? Oh. Turn around. Oh. Get up. I got to walk.
Yeah.
Hey, wrong door. All right, where is he? I'm ready for him now. I would love for him to show his ugly face out. Oh, bingo. Hey, come on, I'm a bleeder. Help! Oh, no. Get me out of here, quick. Come on, hand me the rope. Hey, I'll give you some money. I got $10. Here, take the money. Come on, give me the rope. Yeah. You had it. Lay down.
just saw a moment ago, our stunt doubles for Crockett and Tubbs have managed to ruffle a few feathers here at Flamingo Land, and in this next scene they move in to collect some hard evidence. But our sleazy prize party. All right, guys, stand by. Cameras are ready, and action! Never mind. Here, Pat, take this stuff before I get into more trouble, would you? Right here. Well, I hope you all can take some great photographs out there today because your snapshots are going to turn out just like movie stills from our Miami Vice set. Because you're sitting exactly where we would position our next scene. All right, guys, let's rehearse the rescue scene. Kenny, down here. What's the matter? A little waterlogged, are you? Here, let me give you a hand. There, you're all set. All right, Tuck, take it from you, kick Pat. That's it, bye. That's it. All right, fellas, stand by. Guys, that was Matt. 18. Oh, you didn't know that, Jimmy? Well, read the fine print in your contract. All right, Danny, shut him down. Danny, stop him. Danny, what in the world are you doing over there? That's 40 feet. I asked for 25. Come on, bring him back down. Now, as soon as we're set up, as I just promised, Kenny's going to take that hit and spin into one of the most spectacular. And action! Kenny! Oh, So, well, that's not what I had in mind, but give him a big round of applause anyway. Nice guys, Kenny. Thank you. You ham. Well, folks, you probably recognize Kenny because he was in Seoul, South Korea.
Emperor's Mordor is imprisoned once more. And by my sword, there he shall stay. And so it was, swords and sorcery.